Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn SharePoint calculated column if contains text. Here you can see I have a SharePoint list as issue tracker, and inside this I have added one calculated column as product name. Now see here, if title contains laptop, then product name as laptop, and if title contains mobile, then product name as mobile, and also if title contains Outlook, then product name as Outlook. Now I will show you exactly how we will create a calculated column if contains text. Let's get started. First of all, open your SharePoint online list where you want to add a calculated column. Whenever we create a SharePoint list, by defaultly we get title column. For creating a calculated column, just click on the add column option and select see all column types option and click on next button. And here provide a column name like product name and select data type like calculated and provide the formula under the formula box. See the formula. If is error, find laptop as title, or if is error, find mobile is title, or if is error, find Outlook as title. And by defaultly the title type written from this formula is single line of text. Next click on OK button. Now enter the issue. For that click on the new button and provide the issue name. Then click on save button and add one more issue. And add one more issue. See here, whenever user wants to add an issue based on the title, then it will appear under the product name. Similarly, we will discuss another example. See here, this is my another SharePoint list. Now I will explain how SharePoint calculated column checks whether a column contains SharePoint value or not using the if function. Yes, for that click on add column option and select see all column types and click on next button. Here provide the column name. This is my column name and select the data type as calculated and enter the formula under the formula box. See here, this is my formula. If is number, find SharePoint as title or not contain. And the data type written from this formula as by defaultly single line of text. Next click on OK button. Now enter the title using the SharePoint keyword. For that click on new button. Here provide the title. Then click on save button. Now enter the title if not contains the SharePoint keyword. Just click on the new button and provide the title. Then click on save button. See here, whenever title column contains a SharePoint, it contains SharePoint keyword, or else it's not contained. This is all about how to create a calculated column if contains text. Hope you guys like this video. To give you a like and do subscribe our YouTube channel for more free videos on SharePoint Online. Thank you.